All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This is Cup Noodles Breakfast, and I've been dying to get my hands on some of this. Hopefully I'm going to get my hands on a bunch more, because I don't know if you remember, but Nissin came out with pumpkin spice noodles last year, the year before. And I went crazy with it. I did pumpkin pie, ground it up, made it into pumpkin pie, no fooling. Breads, all sorts of manners of things. And I want to do that with this because this is cool. I see companies doing stuff like this, and I'm like, yes, innovation, weirdness, rad. So let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. So this is a neat display box. It says breakfast meets noodles, you're welcome. And then, as you can see here, there's what you see inside. I love these influencer style boxes. This is they've sent me boxes like this before that are called First Taste Club. Very cool. Let's see what's under this. Yeah, very cool. This is the cup. They sent one cup, and yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more than just one to do everything that I'm gonna be doing with these. There's a shot of the lid. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. They sent a bottle of Cup Noodles hot sauce, and I'm like, originally back in the day, I started reviewing instant noodles, then I quit, and I started reviewing hot sauces. I reviewed over 280 varieties. And back then, this would have just been like the ultimate cool collectible. I will use this. This is, wow, very cool. And they also sent some maple syrup. And we've got a little leaflet for when breakfast cravings hit. Cup Noodles Breakfast. Let's see, on the back of it, it says, Cup Noodles has created the first ever instant ramen breakfast option you didn't know you needed. We've sent you a first taste of the sweet and savory Cup Noodles breakfast before it hits shelves at Walmart. Flavors of pancakes with maple syrup, sausage, and scrambled eggs. Ready to tackle the most important meal of the day with Cup Noodles? Enjoy! Check out the press kit here. And there's a QR code, and I will see if I can include a link in the in the comments or in the description and in the video and in the post. I should also mention they sent some Cup Noodles chopsticks, and here they are right here. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Nissin Foods for sending this over, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to working some magic with the old breakfast noodles. I'm really curious about these. Can't wait to try them, and can't wait to show you what I plan to do with them and let you know what I think of them. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.